sorry. There was a little trouble. Anonymous has hacked in again. Hacking attacks from other countries is annoying. Like, are you serious? Why? You really want us to stop surviving in this country?
Okay, did anyone see you?
No, but there's a man.
No, whatever.
Lily.
Let's continue and just call this part 5.
Lee, I can see him. It's not safe in here.
For God's sake, Lee. Didn't even get to say goodbye.
Get in here. Got an idea.
Why didn't you say goodbye?
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding. No, base? No. There you go. My base. Nothing has happened to your family. Don't worry.
I told you there was something up with this room. It's a goddamn human slaughterhouse.
Wait. Oh, wait. This is better weapon than the taser. Let me watch the chat. Be back. Well, I am back. I just need to pass this thing. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna freaking edit this live stream. I'll just look stupid there. Okay.
So what's the plan? That dumbass is so caught up in his own rant that we could probably sneak right up on him. Just stick behind me in case anything goes down. When we get to the front, grab his gun. Sounds good. Okay, you ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. Stay close.
I have the weapon. What? Why was I standing up? No! Glitches again.
Dad, what are you doing outside the barn?
Oh, shit.
Just guarding the place like you said. Keep sitting out in the rain like damn deer. Mama says we can't keep that many folks alive.
What's he doing out there? I
One
don't
to keep
know.
and kill the rest. Not the kid.
I'll keep an eye on him. Be ready to act what I say. See what he's doing now.
Oh, I know, Mother. This is my favorite part, too. When I let one think they can just walk right out.
Take a look through the cracks.
He's probably going to be right there. Just a sec. One. Look, I'll. We'll go, and he's probably pretty sure he knows we're there. Who's that stupid to not know we're here? See? Wait. Oh, I had to grab the gun. Whoops. So he just shot us right there. Like.
Where's my family, asshole? You can't have them. We need the vet.
No!
Cat! Lee, come on! Just go. I won't be far behind.
Someone's going to waste.
You
Nah.
see? You understand now, don't you? You can have me. It's how the world works now.
I'm not going to eat you.
Honor yourself so others can live.
Cannibalism is not the answer! Aren't the walkers eating enough of us?
You gotta keep me alive. If you kill me, the meat gets tainted. You can't eat it.
You're already tainted.
You ain't gonna just like he didn't kill Jolene. You don't have what it takes. Fucking coward.
Should I? I'll spare him.
This is not how the world works now. You won't make me kill you.
Fuck you, Lee.
What
You
the?
and Kenny murder my dad, but you leave this piece of shit alive? Fucking asshole.
Oh, now you're having the gun.
Oh, God!
She's holding nothing.
It's Katja.
Wait, why does she have a gun? Where did she get that?
Lily, please, keep her safe.
Oh, terrible things going to happen. I'm pretty sure dog and stuff is going to catch up here.
Kenny!
Oh, that's probably dog.
What the hell? Where's that coming from? Ah!
Oh, don't do that. You don't do that. You can get blinded for doing that.
What the hell was that? Morse code. You almost blinded me.
Sorry about that, but I did get your attention.
Wait, Morse code. Oh, of course. There's a lot of ways, like lights and
Screams
stuff.
from the barn.
We did that in
Come on.
school once. Click, 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 click.
I need your help. God, what happened? Larry's dead. They chopped off Mark's legs and tried to feed him to us.
Jesus, that's sick.
They still got
Well,
Doc and
that's-
Katja in the house. And I don't know where the fuck Kenny is.
All right, we're coming in to help.
No. If we storm the house, we'll cause a panic. You two try to find a way around to the back. I'll head to the front.
You got it. Come on, this way. Wait, are you sure? Yes.
Wait, are you sure?
I'm gonna take the boy and check around.
Please don't take my boy.
Let's go, woman.
Settle down. I don't want to hurt y'all.
Andy? Danny, is that you? What's going on out there?
I left Danny in the bar. He got what he deserved.
Come here. Let me go.
Lee, get back! Don't come in here. You just had to go snooping around, didn't you?
Let her go, Brenda.
Let Katja go.
Please, please don't you take another step.
Brenda, come on now. You know you don't want to do this.
Just go away and leave us be.
Mark is probably going to
Stop right there, I mean it.
Think about what you're doing. It doesn't have to end like this.
I'll kill her, Lee. Just let me go.
this Mark.
Stay back! Don't do anything stupid!
Let her go, Brenda.
I'll do it! Please. I
this city work.
Just stop!
Watch out.
They pushed us! Where's Penny?
I said don't move, asshole! Don't you fucking hurt him!
Oh my god!
Let it go, goddammit! That ain't gonna happen!
And don't
Shut up!
And who the fuck do you people think you are? Look at what you've done! Calm down.
Calm down? What for, huh? All we wanted was some goddamn gasoline.
Ouch. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No.
Get up! Get the fuck up!
I got to hold against it. Come on. Click, 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 click. You can see me clicking. No.
Lily, help!
I can still do it. Oh gosh, that's like were thousands of volts. I think he's already dead. Wait, what? He's still
Oh,
alive?
you got me! You ain't shit!
It's over!
Fuck you! As soon as Daddy and Mama get out here, you all fuck!
They're not coming.
What do you mean? Lee? What the fuck do you mean? Don't you dare walk away from me, Lee! Get back here and finish this, Lee!
Don't do it. I tried to save Brenda as well,
Get
but
back
it
here
wasn't
and
possible.
fight me like a man, Lee! Lee!
You don't kill a human for no reason. If it happens while you're protecting yourself, that's another thing.
Let's go.
Brenda. I should also a zombie. Fight like a dairy farmer. I got a trophy saying that, yeah. You guys probably didn't see it. Maybe you did. I don't know. Probably not.
Hey Lee, I'm sorry for leaving the motor in unattended.
I never thought a laser pointer would be the thing that saved an arm. I'm glad you showed up when you did.
Well, we gotta stick together. Were they really chopping up people? For food?
Yeah, and Clementine ate some.
I was right, though.
I panicked and didn't stop her.
Ugh. Were you guys able to salvage anything good from the dairy?
Not really. St. John's took everything I had before the place got completely overrun with walkers.
Oh, I was able to grab a couple of your things back while Brenda wasn't looking.
It doesn't work. You have any use for it, Doug?
It's just a basic camcorder. A save lot's cheapy. Let me check it out. See if I can get it working.
How are you doing?
I'll be fine. Just not as young as I used to be. Go on ahead and give me and Lee a second.
But he did get shot down here. You didn't see that part. Whatever.
There's gonna be
But,
fallout.
yeah. Exactly there.
For killing
There's a place when you get shot.
Yeah. I would imagine
You're
so.
going to be okay.
What do you
But
think?
if you got shot right in the...
I'm with
with
you.
you, yeah.
We'll do what has to be done.
You're damn right. Listen, that RV back at the motor inn is just about ready. I've changed my mind. I want you to come with us when we leave.
Yeah?
Hell yeah. We're a team, man, me and you. By taking out Larry before he turned, you saved all of us in that meat locker. And that saved my family, too. Yeah, I'd say you earned it.
Come on, Clementine. Stay close.
Lee, are those bad people dead?
We didn't kill them, so I don't know. They might have been able to get away from the walkers. But I'm sure they won't be coming after us.
Without protecting yourself, I wouldn't kill anyone.
Dad?
If he's just going there to kill me, I wouldn't do it. Why would I do it? Only if, like, it was bitten, there's no chance anyway. Oh, the sound is gonna attract some zombies, so I think you should hurry up. Wait.
Don't shoot! We're here to help!
Approach the car slowly. Doesn't seem like anyone's here. The door's just open. There you go.
Oh, crap. Baby, you gotta see this. It's a shitload of food and supplies back here.
This food could save all of us. Not all of us.
No.
You don't know if these people are dead.
If
He's
they
too
come back,
cute.
We're just monsters who came out of the woods and ruined their lives.
This stuff isn't ours. Dad, whose car is it?
Don't worry about that, Duck. It's ours now.
It's abandoned, Ducky. Don't worry.
What if it's not? Well, what if it's not abandoned? What if it is someone's?
No. No. There's a lot of freaking food. This is a zombie apocalypse, right? I don't know what I have to say. We're going to take this. Might in the future make a different choice, but whatever.
We have to take this, Clementine. We need it to survive.
Look at this
Your
little cutie
decision
kid.
to make.
Hey,
Little
we don't
kitty
have time
good.
for this shit. Like it or not, we need this food. Now get over here and open the trunk, Lee.
My stream on YouTube, of course. They ask what stream. Look, cutie, cutie, cute, cute, little catty, catty. Okay, let's see. Let's take this. Oh, I have the key, yeah, of course. Right now. Yes, when I set my stream. Duh. Of course it's now. It's now, of course. Why wouldn't it be late? How could it be before or something? If it's on the stream. Okay, let's see. This one should
Supplies?
be
I'll take it.
Okay.
More
Supplies. Oh, is that you? Hello. You can check my stream out if you want. There you go. Okay, let's see. Last
You
box.
will survive this after all. Duck, why don't you carry this?
Okay.
Isn't this too much? Should we leave?
Got a box of food here.
Like, holy moly.
I'll carry it.
Of course you'll carry it. Why would someone else carry it?
Well, think of it like you're holding on to it. You can give it back if we ever meet up with them, okay?
Okay.
Here, Clem. Want some batteries? Hey, Lee. You know that camcorder? I got it working. You might want to see this.
Batteries are not cheap.
Jake, Bart, Linda, and all y'all fucking sickos from the stage lot. They call y'all bandits, but you're fucking racist. Oh, darling baby, look at you. Look at you. Oh, you need a mama, sweetheart.
It's not the same.
We won't let them bandits get you, will we? No.
Okay.
Where's your hat?
I don't know. Can you help me find it?
Sure. When did you lose it?
She stole.
I had it a couple days ago.
I promise. If I
Y'all
find
thinking
it,
you're
I'll let
safe?
you know.
Sitting there acting like things are the way they used to be. The dead don't kill their own. It's the living you gotta be afraid of. The people I used to call friends. People who just... Don't worry, little girl. Bandits got their eye on that dairy. As long as they keep getting food from them, you'll be safe. I promise.
Well, it's a bit different now. If they don't get any food, how are they going to survive? Because they're just wasting their freaking thing.
Making is done, pal. Ain't nothing left. We gotta get the hell out of here. Lee, I need you to back me up on this.
Is this all you got?
I told you this town is tapped. Do you have any idea what we had to do to get all that? We need to leave.
No, this next episode.
On the farm last night. Not much phases. It's starting to add up. I need to get to the coast. Get him out of all this madness. Lily's not doing so good.
Killed her dad.
Lee did kill her dad. Maybe people out there got things lined up better than us, at least. Could be folks who have all this shit figured out.
Do people get mad when they're scared?
Sometimes, yeah, they do.
You're so full of bullshit.
I'm the one keeping this group going.
We can
sort all this out, all right? We can sort this out.
I'll tell you what we need to sort out. We can't let one person fuck this up from everyone else.
Okay, this is how I did. Well, I did good, didn't I? Yay! Of course I wouldn't kill them. Why would I kill them? They're just kill me. Why would you kill them? You and 49% of players held killed Larry. But he was dead. And you know, it's a bit different when he becomes a zombie afterwards. So we had to squash the head. No chance of him getting up again. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so let's play next time of The Walking Dead. But I know. I'll start a new episode right here. Let's just end the stream right here and then start it up again. Okay. Thanks everyone for watching. This has been episode 2. That's also going to be live, like right after this one. So, thank you all for watching. Bye bye. No, I'm not Markiplier. Just continue on from here.